Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with the black appearance package, giving you obviously black accents and trim. You've got the hood vents and some extra trim in the grille there. You've got the black rims, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You do have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have your camera view, again, your hazards, traction control shut off, and you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport mode. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby area with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Can also be collapsed out of the way for more open space here, and so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you want to eat in your truck, work in your truck, you have a nice flat surface to do so from. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.